How to create shadow effect in Adobe Illustrator CC. Step 1. Type text. Step 2. Change text color. Step 3. Select text and right-click to create outline. Then again right-click to ungroup to text. Follow the steps. Step 4. Choose gradient and fill it. Step 5. Select text and copy text. Right-click, transform, reflect, and click horizontal, then OK. Step 6. Choose rectangle tool and create rectangle. Step 7. Select both layer and create mask and opacity 75%. That's it this video. Thanks for watching.